Meghalaya Football Association MFA Bynta kasingi ka apon ri tarik uyayong kala Pyllait Paidbah ka Shap website ka Trophi bat ka theme song jong ka jingrai na ka Bynta ka Lympung Ïalehkai Kynjatbol ka bansa sedang shen hapo ka jala kata ka third edition Meghalaya State League kani ka jingalang kala long ha conference hall jong ka State Convention Center. Hakani kasingi lawan bayadan lam ringkat upa la singming sawen upa dipshan dun tatyang lambat kiwe de kinungkit kam jogi association ba penyat ya ka Ïalehkai football nagi district ba pair upa la singming sawen u president jong ka senjuk MFA ula Pyllait Paidbah ka trophy naga Bynta kani ka Lympung Ïalehkai pa upa wanchan khakrang upa long u treasurer jong ka MFA par haju ka potru kumu tournament director jong ka Meghalaya State League ula Pyllait Paidbah ka Shap ka website pat ka jinwai theme song jong ka ni ka Lympung Ïalehkai pala roi de kinong roi jong ka jala ka jasiling do bad boy abel but loud lads.
Better manner in the form of having more teams this time, so we're having more games. A little bit before launching of the website, under the MSL, there are going to be various tournaments at the local level that will be part and parcel of this, and this is where it will be well documented. And all those tournaments of various age groups will be uploaded. So this is basically the whole aspect of MSL, because
building up women's football.
It's